Yo, what is up, guys? JuanCarlos here. So today is February 9th of 2021. Current time is 3:05 p.m. and so market just closed about 5 minutes ago, and so I'm just gonna go over my trade on Auvi. This was a high percent gainer in the morning, and uh, so this is pre-market, and just gonna draw some trend lines right here at 963, about 899, 899 was it right there, and then we could do this high, which was 1105. We'll do right there, and so we'll just do another random right there, and so again we'll just do another one right here. So prediction, I told myself that I was let's see the first 5 minutes of the market open, don't buy anything, then plan and follow it. And so as you can see, opens up right here at $9, and then drops all the way to low of 829, and then spikes all the way high of 973, and this is where it gets halted. And so my plan was to get in at 973, which was this high. And actually my plan was to get in at 926 and risk 1 to 5 again, like I always do currently. And so it opens up, so it got halted at 833, and then it opens back up at 838, and then spikes all the way to high of 1088, and then tries to fight right here around the 1080s and 1020s, and then spikes back up, and then at 841 it gets halted again at 1148. That's where it gets halted, and so opens back up at 846, and then I put buy position at 1201. Again, my plan was to just make 1 to 5, so lose $5 and profit $25. And so immediately skyrockets up to high of 1345, and immediately I put my sell orders and I get filled, and that was a profit of $32.78 right here. And so the reason why the stock was a high percent gainer was because of this news right here. So Applied UV announces acquisition of the Aeroside technology platform for airborne pathogen reduction. And so that was a big factor on this this stock. And so high it touched was 1385, and then we get a panic right here towards the 850s, and drops all the way low to 1092, bounces back up to high of 1389, breaking this a little bit, and then even we get a little bounce back down, and then back up, pushing pop towards the 1594. Tries to fight, but the volume is more greater than the demand, so the demand pushes the stock up even more higher towards the 21s. But right here we get a slight panic right here towards the low of 1662, and then we get that 21, and then topping off at 22, and then we get a skyrocket fall right there at 1726, drops down, pops back up, and then does a reversal back down, pops back down towards the 16, and then again it's like stairs. So we get going down the stairs, so we get one big step, smaller step, and then we get the flat surface, and then we get a bigger giant push spike towards the 1975s, and then someone slipped, boom, back up at a high of 2138. More push-ups at 2546. We get a drop, pop, 30, drop back down towards the low of 2242. So we get a great fall. That was a nasty fall right there. That's about 24%, about $7 of change. So that's a nasty drop, and then we get that nice drop back up. That's a 24% up, and we get some that's some like nasty action right there. So I wouldn't want to be caught in that. And then looks like momentum starting to die down right about here, and then volume starts to pick it back up from the 22s, jumping all the way to the 26s. Again, more consolidation. Looks like it's gonna turn over, and it is, and then drops, and then bounces right around 22 or so, comes to 24, and then looks like he wants to push back up. Let's see, go backing down, consolidation, and then looks like buyers are in control, pushing it up, breaking this resistance point even higher, broke this one over here, and it topped out at 35.41, gets down, back up, down, and then let's see. Okay, I think he wants to pop up back up. Volume starts to kick in. Boom, tops out at 35.78, and I think this is a fall. Nope. It looks like consolidation. Looks like the volume starting to die down. Looks like it's going more down. There might be a pop. There's the pop right there. Touches out at 30.38. Looks like congestion. Let's see if it wants to break out. Nope. Breaks that resistance. Touches 32. More. And then just sideways action with the nasty drop all the way from 32 to 28. Even smaller, hard drop. What is that? That's a 23% drop. Even harder drop. Boom. 29 drop with 9% pop, and then closes downside. So pretty much it for this trade. That's the only stock I traded for today. Overall, good trade. I mean, if you would have caught this opportunity, there was many opportunities to catch this, especially in the morning. Let's clear this all up so we could see the bigger picture right here. We get the nice solid spike up in the morning, about 52%, and then we get a panic right here, more upside, about 94%, a drop, and then a push up back up to the 81%. I probably would not trade it around here until it broke this resistance point, or even like around here, around 26, caught right there, and about 27%, about $7 of upside. Other than that, I wouldn't have traded unless you would have bought right at the morning and hold through that whole top, which is a 300% move, 27% of change. And so my trade was just only $32, and so it's still moving after hours. And so I'm swinging a stock overnight, Rmti. Reason why I'm buying it is because let's look at the bigger picture. 1 day, 1 year, 1 year, 1 day, and it's one very strong green day after several consecutive red days, and then pops up. Reason why I bought it was because of this newsing in the morning. It said Rockwell Medical announces U.S. availability of Triferic AVNU for replacement of iron and maintenance of the hemoglobin in patients on hemodialysis. And so that's a catalyst there itself. And then this also, so Rockwell could face COVID-19 headwinds, but the stock is a buy, says analysts. So I mean, yeah, it was on Yahoo Finance, and so I think that's another catalyst to push the stock up. And so I got in at around 191, and so what my prediction is for tomorrow is that it could have another nice solid spike up like today's morning, around 14% or so, about 22 cents of upside. I don't have much of a position in this stock, so I do have again that 1 to 5 risk reward. So Again, if I bought at 191 and I want 22 cents of upside, around 213 is a good ideal trade. But my prediction is that it could go around right here, around the 240s or so, and so that would be a nice buy. But just do your research, be prepared, and I hope you guys enjoyed that review for AUVI and RMTI. Peace out, guys.